There's lots of ways to get from the bottom to the top. It's kind of like digging a hole. Octave displacement is a weird sound, like if you want to go in 3 directions and you are stuck in the middle and it's fun to go on rides and your mind or imagination, and you can swirl around in roller coaster where you can have fatalities and then you can still live. The slaughterhouse can be an inspiring place to go. It's good to write songs. It's sad to see hurting animals, but some really harsh shards can come out of that whole thing. Back a ways, there was lots of weird sound flying around, and you can, if you see this $6 Million Man episode of Day of the Robot, is the machine man Maskatron gets his face ripped off, and there's this really crazy sound of a computer kind of going nuts. And it's kind of a sound it was circling around the coop, and we had to get it out. And then Paul Gilbert came by and played some Sean Lane tape, and it was so incredibly, it's just, and Paul Gilbert helped a lot. And so then the sound of helped this sound. It was really, we'll show the 2-finger nubbing, 3-finger nubs, 4-finger nubs. And it's kind of inspired from Sean Lane and Day of the Robot, $6 Million Man episode. Thanks Paul Gilbert for the tape. And he's so nice. He helped, and he's so nice. I try to. There's a couple slabs coming up like Bootsy style vibes, covered in things. Thanks for coming by the coop. It's time to go to bed. I guess I just play some lullabies to put the chickens to sleep. Thank you.